ain't trying to really be in no fucking relationship. I said this about Yada too. I told him about Yada, but he gonna see. But he knows. He don't care. Even with Yada, it gave him an opportunity to show himself to be someone that was in self-control. He's playing y'all too, so he's gonna be the perfect gentleman. He's gonna be the perfect person. If women get emotional, he's gonna deal with them correctly. You know, he's gonna call the police. He's gonna, you know, what's up? What's on, baby? How y'all feel?
Good. I'm sorry, I'm listening to you. To him, Bobby.
You got delay too.
I do.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Armanii was crying? What happened? She was crying? Armanii, she's the sweetest. She said, wow. Yeah, I didn't know that. Can you turn it on? I'm ready for my pampering.
He's like, what a bitch's AZ got. I was like,
Yeah, I took this video.
What's up, baby? How you feeling? You good?
yes.
Good to see you.
Look at this one.
Oh,
I took a
yeah.
screenshot of this one.
I said, oh, I'm going to see.
I took a video of that one because I like when you did that.
That's when I had my barbershop.
And look at this one.
Armanii playing y'all. I know Armanii for real. I've been around her. She ain't no fucking sweet person that you think she is.
I don't know, that was the stuff. You ain't have that many. You had a lot with people.
Can you stop the live? Yeah. Okay, so yeah, Armanii comes off very like these man. Y'all don't see through the shit. Do you see it? You was there. You felt Armani's energy. She's a yo. Armanii is not no fucking humble little sweet. She just know how to play her role. She know how to play her shit. Right? But trust me, Armanii will tear some shit the fuck down. She ain't no goddamn walk in the park. Y'all think, oh, Armani's like, shit.
Yeah.
Shit. Armanii is a Leo, might I remind you? She's a fucking Leo. Ain't no sweet shit. Nigga. I've been around Armanii. She like, I know vibes. You felt
She do be like this. She be like,
her shit
her
is.
hands be like this.
Yeah, she be sneaky and jealous. She do not play, bro. She is very territorial. She's very territorial, and she don't fucking play. Period. They just best friends. She been with him forever. They done been through whatever together. They best friends by now. Like when you are somebody best friend, that's it. Like, you know what I'm saying? You gonna ride with them to the end, but she ain't taking no shit. She is controlling. She likes shit her way. Trust me, if Armanii don't like you, you out of there.